Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. This week I'm sharing with you my recipe for Funfetti Cupcakes. These cupcakes will bring you back to all those birthday parties when you were young. I love this recipe because you pop everything into one bowl and whip together so it's super quick. That's what I like. Okay everyone, let's get baking. To make our sponge, we're starting with room temperature butter. You just place it into a medium-sized bowl. To this add in the sieved self-raising flour, baking soda, vanilla extract, milk, 3 eggs and the sugar. Whisk everything together until the mixture is soft and fluffy. I love the all-in-one method, and if it's good enough for Mary Berry, you can't go wrong. Add in the Funfetti Sprinkles last so they don't bleed into your mixture and they keep their shape. Make sure to use a good quality Funfetti sprinkle, as lots of shop bought ones disappear into the mixture when baked and you get absolutely no colour, and you don't want that. I use an ice cream scoop and I fill the cases 3/4 of the way full, allowing space for them to rise. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, I'm going to make the buttercream. Whip room temperature butter for about 4 minutes until soft and white in colour. Add the icing sugar in stages. I add about 3 tablespoons and whisk before adding more and whisking again. Do this until all the icing sugar is mixed in. There's so many ways to make a basic buttercream, but I find by making it this way the most successful. At this stage, I always like to scrape down the sides of the bowl because if you've got any loose icing sugar, you can catch it all and mix it in. Add the vanilla extract, a little milk or warm water, and the gel food colouring if you're using it. I want these cupcakes to really stand out, so I'm going with a yellow colour. Mix again for 3 minutes and add a little more milk or warm water if you find the mixture is too thick. Now for my favourite part, let's decorate the cupcakes. Make sure the cupcakes are cool before icing. Ice however way you like. You can spoon the buttercream on and just even it off with a knife, or use a nice icing tip. This one is an 8B and I really like it. Finish off with some edible glitter if you have it, and Funfetti sprinkles on top. Just look how colourful they are. Funfetti is my favourite kind of cake. Now it's time to try one. Wait till you see the colours inside this when I cut it. Everyone should have a Funfetti cupcake at least once, as they're such a fun cupcake and they're so pretty as well. I'm going to cut into this now because you have to see the inside of the Funfetti cupcake. Just look at that. Stay tuned for more great recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my page. See you all soon. Happy baking everyone. Bye bye.